Say, I am a clock. I am used to know the time. My flat surface is called my face. The numbers 1 to 12 appear on my face. I have 2 hands just like you. But my one hand is short and the other long. My short hand is also called an hour hand. It shows the hour. A day has 24 hours. So, the hour hand completes 2 rounds in 24 hours. My long hand is also called a minute hand. It shows the minutes. Come, now I will teach you how to read the time. See, my hour hand is on 5 and the minute hand is on 12. This means the time is 5 o'clock. We read it as 5 o'clock. We write it as 5, then colon, and then 0, 0. Let us see the time once again. Now, my hour hand is on 9 and the minute hand is on 12. We read it as 9 o'clock. We write it as 9, then colon, and then 0, 0. Hope you had fun reading the time with me. It as 9.
Okay, now children, look at this clock carefully. I hope you all can see that there are 12 numbers. On the face of a clock. You all are able to see these 12 numbers, right? But we have learned that there are 24 hours in a day. How many hours in a day? There are 24 hours in a day. But we can see that there are only 12 numbers on a clock. So what happens? This hour hand. Yes, Anvika.
Ma'am, the small hand is there, no, ma'am, to clock. If it's go to 12 o'clock, what's the time, ma'am?
If that small hand is on 12 and long hand is on 12, then time will be 12 o'clock.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, and first of all, I hope you all remember that this short hand is known as hour hand, right? And this long hand is known as minute hand. Okay. Now, there are 24 hours in a day, but there are only 12 numbers on a clock. So, the hour hand has to take 2 full circles in a day. This small hand, it has to take 2 full circles, means it will start from 1, right? Then again it will reach number 12, and then from 12 again it has to start from 1, and then again it has to reach number 12. So this short hand has to complete how many circles? 2 circles, right? As they have told you in this video also, that it has to take full 2 circles. Okay. And the minute hand also takes, okay, so the minute hand, this means this long hand, it also takes round around the clock, but it goes faster. It goes faster. Means this shorthand moves slower if you'll compare it with minute hand. Okay. So when this minute hand, that means this long hand move from one number to another. Suppose this is now on 12, and if you'll wait, I'll change the color. Yeah. So if from 12 it goes to number 12, this long hand, if it goes to number 12, then it means 5 minutes are over. 5 minutes are over. As I told you in grade 1 also, that whenever this long hand moves from one number to another, this means 5 minutes are over. Okay. Or simply you can say that here we follow 5 table because 5 minutes are over. Right. So if this minute hand moves to from 12, if it moves to 2, then 5 twos are how much? 5 twos are 10. This means how many minutes are over? Then if from 12 it moves to 2, then this means 10 minutes are over. And if it moves from one number to the other, this means 5 minutes are over. So between every two number, there is 5 minutes gap. Okay. Okay, this you have understood that when shorthand is in front of any number, that shorthand is pointed at any number, and this long hand is on 12, this means time is o'clock. Here shorthand is on 9 and long hand is on 12, this means time is 9 o'clock. O'clock means off the clock. Okay. And if you want to write it in other way, you can write it as 9 colons and 2 zeros, like it's here. 9 colons and 2 zeros. Okay.
Then colon, and then 0, 0. Hope you had fun reading the time with me.
Okay. So now I'll be sharing my screen with you. Okay.
Hello all, I'm Sandhu. I'm a mom blogger and this is my daughter Ganvi. She's 3 years old. Technically, we have to.
So for this, you have to open page number 162 of your math course book. Write date in classwork on page number 162. Okay. First of all, we'll complete this. And then we'll learn how to write half past, quarter past. Okay. Open page number 162, write date in classwork on my practice time 2. Okay. So children, daily we do so many activities like brushing our teeth, taking bath, having our lunch, breakfast, dinner, writing our classwork, completing our homeworks, playing outside, watching TV, and so many other things, right? Aslan, please unmute yourself.
Ma'am, we have to open course book.
Aslan, this is in your textbook, page number 162.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Right, daily we do so many activities, but there are few activities which takes more time and there are few activities which takes less time. Like brushing our teeth will take less time and taking bath will take more time. Right, if you are writing your homework, this will take more time, and having a cup of milk will take less time, right? So we have to see which activity will take more time and which activity will take less time. Adya?
Ma'am.
Adya, you tell me, eating an ice cream will take Less time or more time? Okay, no, you tell me which will take more time, eating an ice cream or cooking food?
Eat, ma'am.
Adya, listen to the question carefully. Eating an ice cream or preparing food, which will take more time? More.
Preparing food.
Yeah, preparing food will take more time and eating an ice cream will take less time. Yes, Supratik, please unmute yourself.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Which page number, ma'am?
Page number 162, 162 of your math textbook.
Page number.
162. Right. Okay. Hanvika,
Ma'am.
you tell me which will take less time. Going to your school on bicycle or going to your school by car? Which will take less time?
To my school by car.
Yes, if you will go by car, you will take less time, right? So, okay. Supratik. Supratik,
Yes, ma'am.
you tell me which will take more time, combing your hair or taking bath?
Taking bath, ma'am.
Yes, if you take bath, it will take more time and combing your hair will take less time. Okay. So now you have to answer these questions. Tanishka, please. Tanishka,
Yes, ma'am.
in first, okay. Tell me which will take more time. Look at the first two pictures. Okay, tell me what is there in the picture, in the first picture, what that boy is doing. Tanishka,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me what that boy is doing in the first picture.
The boy is doing drinking the juice.
And what that man is doing?
Cooking.
Okay, he is preparing juice. He is making juice. Okay, tell me which will take more time and which will take less time.
Juice will take less time. To cook to juice, it will take more time.
If you will prepare the juice, it will take more time. And if you are drinking the juice, it will take less time, right? So here we have to tick the activities which take longer time and we have to cross the activity which takes less time. Okay, here it has written shorter. So we have to take the activity which takes long time. So preparing the juice will take more time. So we will put our tick here, and drinking juice will take less time or shorter time. So we will cross out this first picture. Okay. Ashwita Nalla, please unmute yourself and tell me what is there in the second question. Second bit. Two pictures are there. Tell me what they are doing.
Boy is planting a plant.
Okay. And in second picture?
Girl is
Watering.
watering a plant.
Yeah, so that girl is watering the plant and boy is planting a plant. Okay, so which will take more time and which will take less time? More time. Which activity will take more time, Ashwita?
Planting plant, ma'am.
Yes, if you are planting a plant or you are planting a tree, it will take more time. So we will put a tick here, and watering the plant will take less time. So we will cross out the second picture. Okay. Advaita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now tell me again, two pictures are there in third question. What are those two pictures? What they are doing?
One boy is running and the other is cycling.
Okay, so who will take more time? And who will take less time?
This 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 blue first picture boy will take more time to run, and the other picture will take no. The cycling kid will take more will 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 take
Advaita, if you are, listen carefully, if you are going to your school on a bicycle, it will take more time or less time if you'll compare it with you are going to your school by running.
If I run, it will take less time. If I go on a bike, it will take more time.
Yes, Ashrita.
Ma'am, what is the page number?
Ashrita, page number is 162.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, AVK Ganesh. Page number 162 of your math textbook. Aryan,
Yes, ma'am.
in third bit, which activity will take less time and which will take more time?
Going on bike takes less time and running takes more time.
Yes, it's correct. So children, if you are going by bicycle, it will take less time, and if you are running, then it will take more time. So you will, Advaita, listen carefully. You told wrong answer, Advaita. So you will put a tick in first picture and you will cross out the second picture. Okay? Pathan,
Yes, ma'am.
fourth question.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't tell me the answers directly. First tell me what they are doing. Two boys are there. What are they doing?
Ma'am, first boy is feeding the dog. And second picture boy is bathing the dog.
Okay. So which activity will take more time and which will less time?
First one is less and second one is more.
Very good. So if you are feeding your pet or if you are feeding your dog, it will take less time. So we will cross out this first activity and we will put our tick in second activity. Children, I am using cursor. I am unable to make proper ticks, but you are using pencil, so you have to draw it in a proper way. Okay? I hope you all have completed this. Or is there anyone who is still writing? Yes, children, is there anyone? Anyone? Zaid, have you completed page number 22 of your math course book?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yes, children, is there anyone who is still writing? No one? Okay, fine. So I'll clear this. Okay. So now you have to open your math course book. Okay, I'll tell you the page number. This is in week 3. This is on page number 2020 of your math course book. Write date and class work on page number 2020 of your math course book. Here what you have to do is, here you have to estimate the time. Estimate means not accurate time, you just have to guess how much time you will take to do the given activities. Okay. I'll write here page number on the side. Again, I'm repeating here. What you have to do is you just have to guess the. Children, this is page number 2020 of your math course book. I have written here the page number. Okay, so here you have to estimate the time. Estimate means you have to guess. Okay, not you don't have to tell the exact time. You just have to guess the time, how much time you will take to do the certain activities which are given here. Okay. So now, Devansh, Devansh, I think there is some network issue.
देवांश काम बुला रही है देवांश ओ देवा देवा
There is some network issue. Zed, am I audible to you?
देवांश
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Devansh, there is some network issue from your side. Please check it. Okay. Zed, tell me what that boy is doing in the first picture. Read that question. Zed, please unmute yourself. Yeah. What that boy is doing in the first picture?
It's time to make my bed.
Yeah, so it's written there in the first picture. It's time to make my bed. Okay, so how much time you will take to make your bed? What are the options given? Please read these options.
Less than 1 hour.
Read both the options.
More than 1 hour. Less than 1 hour.
Okay, so how much time you will take to make your bed? More than 1 hour or less than 1 hour? Children, first of all, you all should know that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. Okay, there are, if you'll I'll write here, no need to write it anywhere, it's just to explain you. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. Okay, and 60 minutes, 1 hour is a long time, so you don't take long time to make your bed, right? So we yeah, Zed, what is the answer then?
Less than 1 hour.
Yes, so you will take less than 1 hour time to make your bed. So we will circle option second. Okay, you will not take more than 1 hour time. You will take less than 1 hour time. You will take only few minutes to make your bed. Okay. Manvit, am I audible to you? Okay, Manvit, again your voice is very low. Now in second picture, Manvit, what that boy is doing? Read that question. It's written in blue color. Yeah, I clap my hands. Okay. So if you are clapping your hand, it will take, okay, two options are there. Read those options. Options. And second option? Okay, so you tell me how much time will you take if you are clapping your hands? More than 1 second or less than 1 second? If you are clapping your hands, then you take less than 1 second time because you do it very quickly, very fast. Okay. So here again in second picture, option B is correct. You take less than 1 second time to clap your hands because you do it very quickly. You can try yourself, try to clap your hands quickly. If you'll clap your hands, you can find out that you are taking less than 1 second time. You are taking very less time. You are doing it quickly. Okay. Kartika Nalla.
Yes, ma'am.
Kartika, please read what is there in the in the third picture. Third picture. Kartika, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please read what is there in the third picture. It's written in blue color.
I
Hmm, love.
love.
Hmm.
I
Adya, please
love.
read. Making. Making. M-A-K-I-N-G. Making.
Making.
Hmm. Bread.
Bread and
Hmm.
jam.
Hmm. Sandwiches.
Sandwiches.
I love making bread and jam sandwiches. So how much time it will take if you are making a sandwich? More than 1 minute or less than 1 minute?
Less than 1 minute.
Very good. You will take less than 1 minute time if you are making bread and jam sandwich. Yes, children, in third picture, again option B is correct. You will take less than 1 minute time if you are making bread and jam sandwich. Okay. Krishika ji,
Ma'am,
fourth picture.
it's time to go to school.
Okay, so how much time you are taking to go to your school? More than 1 hour or less than 1 hour?
Less than 1 hour.
Okay. See, children, this depends on the distance. Like, how far is your home from your school? Okay. So, this question depends on that question. So, generally, it takes less than 1 hour time. But if few children are there who are taking more than 1 hour time, then they can circle the first option. Okay. Otherwise, option B is correct. Generally, it takes less than 1 hour time. Okay. Now, next question. Wait, I have to clear this. Okay. Aliza, please unmute yourself. Aliza, what is there in the fifth picture? Azlan, I'll get back to you. Aliza, what is there in the fifth picture?
It is delicious. It is delicious time.
Dinner. It's dinner time.
Dinner time.
It's dinner time. Okay, so tell me, when you are having your dinner, you are taking more okay, so it takes more than 1 minute or less than 1 minute if you are having your dinner, lunch, breakfast, anything?
Less than 1 minute.
No. Whenever you are having your breakfast, lunch, or dinner, you are having them slowly. You cannot finish your dinner in 1 minute. So it takes more than 1 minute to finish your dinner. So in fifth question, first option is correct, children. More than 1 minute time. You take more than 1 minute
Okay, ma'am.
if you are having your dinner. Okay. Riyansika? Riyansika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what is there in the
Yes, ma'am.
last? Yeah, what is there in the last picture?
This
It's Riyansika, please read. Hmm.
it's time to
Hmm.
tie my shoelaces. More than 1 second, less than 1 second.
So if you are tying your shoelace, so you will take less than 1 second or more than 1 second?
Less than 1 second.
See, 1 second is very short time, very less time. So if you are tying your shoelace, it will take more than 1 second. Okay. So in last picture, first option is correct. Tying your shoelaces will take more than 1 second. In the last two pictures, first option is correct.